nangyari doon? Bakit hindi na, yung nabanggit yung maleta ni Senator Villar at Senator Legarda?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi ang para sa akin, basta that's all the more reason why they should continue the hearings.
Yes.
And hopefully, under the same presiding officers. Para matuloy yung level of questioning at yung pattern of questioning. Otherwise, pag nilipat yan sa ibang power, masisisi sila na, oy, hindi nyo inubos, ha? Hindi naman sila pinatapos.
Pero will they appear sa invitation ni Senator
Sa
Erwin?
Monday.
Hindi ko din alam.
I think they should appear.
Oo, kung talagang ano, di ba?
Well, there's a question first kumbaga, parang kowaranto on what authority is tool for operating.
And the same question can be asked on the
Correct.
Cayetano.
So obviously there's a political component here. Hindi tayo mga bata dito, no?
Oo.
There's a political component here. Pero last we checked, there's still a question on quorum. So dapat, sa akin, ang presumption, Senate President pa rin si Alan Cayetano, which will be objected to by my friend here. Pero meron dapat presumption ng regularity yung ginagawa nila.
But the fact is, walang Senate Secretariat, hindi recorded lahat yun, at iba, walang...
Kakasuhan daw ni APC ang mga staff na hindi pumupunta.
paano yun hindi nga na-record yung mga pinagsasabi doon
Yun na nga kasi may maraming patently illegal acts na nangyari doon na parang it was really a hostile takeover. Again, from our point of view, no? It was a hostile takeover. So pati tinanggalan sila ng staff, tinanggalan ng equipment and all that. But that doesn't make it void. That doesn't make it bogus.
My question to you, Attorney Jimmy, if Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano is the real Senate President, bakit hindi sumunod yung mga Senate staff sa kanya?
Hindi, hati Hindi, may mga Senate staff
Kawawa
naman
naman
na
yung mga-
nandun Hindi lang kumpleto.
Senate staff niya, ni APC, of the Office of the Senate President,
Marichu.
Alan Peter Cayetano.
May sasabihin
Siguro
kasi
ganito na lang po, no, para malaman natin talaga kung sino ang legit at i-recognize.
Ayun.
Kasi para magkakaroon naman yata ng special session.